Hi, Dean Pattrick from Mix Radio, and a big warm welcome to Mobile World Congress 2015. What I'd like to do now is actually to take you through our full portfolio of Mix Radio. So let's check it out. Okay, so what I've got here, I've got the Lumia 830. You'll find Mix Radio on all of the Lumia devices, all the way down from the low-end devices all the way up to the flagship. And if we look at the experience is a lovely, crafted, mobile optimized experience. And one of the things that our drive has been is all around personalization. And so how simple can it be to have one button to listen to the music that means the most to you? So here I'm in my Play Me, using our algorithms and all of the data that we'll collect from the usage of you using the Mix Radio experience. Will actually craft this very dynamically so that you can thumbs up and thumbs down. So if I thumbs up, it's going to say great song. You will hear more of this sort of music in your personal mixes. So very dynamic. Let me just put a skip in. Let's see what the next track is. Let's say I didn't like this artist, so I'll do a thumbs down and I'll get the feedback is good. You'll hear less of this music in your personal mixes. So this is very easy, very simple and very mobile optimized, and there'll be a skip that will go in there so that this is your personal radio station. And one of the differentiators that we've got, should I like this mix, I can take this mix offline. So I can take this mix offline, so if I'm cautious of my data costs, or I simply don't have any 3G, 4G connection or Wi-Fi connection, if I'm on a plane, I still have that wonderfully crafted Mix Radio experience. Another thing that we're pretty proud of is if we swipe to the side, there's information. So here we've got the artist bio and we've got some images and where they're featured on our service. So a lovely, well-crafted experience that you'll find on all Lumia devices. Okay, staying with the Windows ecosystem, let's jump across here to the Surface 3. So one of the things that we really wanted to do was take Mix Radio and expand that across not only the Windows Phone, but Windows RT and Windows 8. So as you can see here, I've got again moving from a portrait to a landscape and still capture the essence of Mix Radio. I've got my Play Me, my one button to your own personal radio station. I've got all of the mixes, so you'll see here on the device we have hundreds of curated mixes. So we'll have these in categories or genres, and we'll have these here, all the categories and genres. And notice how our designers have gone from a landscape to portrait, still a very nice, unique way to have the experience. You'll see here the offline mixes. So again, you've got all of those mixes you can take offline, and then here you can see all of the favorite artists, which are then part of my Play Me experience. So a lovely experience given to you as a native client on the Windows 8 devices. Now for those people that are not in the Windows ecosystem, they're not on Lumia and they're not on the Windows RT or Windows 8, we've actually got a HTML5 experience. And here, because we are in 31 different territories, I've actually chosen the India store. So here in India, we've got all of these lovely rich mixes that we can just dive in and start playing. The experience on here is slightly clipped, so you cannot do any offline catching in the HTML5, but a beautiful, rich experience, all of those mixes. So we have, in summary, we have Lumia, we have Windows, and then we have the HTML5. But what's the use when you've got 36,000 tracks, a good set of APIs? How do you expand on that? Well, what we've done here, working with our colleagues over at Harman Kardon, we've actually brought Mix Radio into their Harman Kardon controller. So what I've got here, this is the Omni 20, a lovely music system, and if I look at the controller, so this is the Harman Kardon controller. You'll see from here, this would be how you choose from your local library, and Mix Radio is there. And then what I would do, let me just jump back to the front page. So we have the featured, we have all of the featured mixes, we have the genres, and we have the categories, exactly like what you would see on the Lumia experience. So I can jump into love songs, click onto that. That animation is going to go over to the Omni 20. And then we got a music, and the great thing.
As I lay me down to sleep,
Turn that down. So with the Omni 20, beautiful in-house entertainment system, I can have a number of these different products, name them in different parts of the house, and then actually play these either in a party mode where all of the speakers are connected together, or I can have individual channels. So a lovely, lovely, very simple, still giving you that full music discovery. Okay, on to a personal favourite of mine. This is the Adidas My Coach Smart Run. Beautiful watch for those sports people. It captures GPS location. It has the optical heart rate sensor at the back. But then, like most sports people, they like to listen to music. And what we've done here, we've nicely crafted mixed radio into here. So you can see this is the last workout. So I've been running this week. And then if I then go into the music, you can see that what we've got, you've got some Adidas exclusive mixes and mixed radio mixes. I can click into there. I guess we'll take a second, it's just on the Wi-Fi. I can then go into either training, racing, or the genres, click onto one of these, then I can download the mix. I download the mix, go off running, I have my GPS location, I have my heart rate, and I have music. Beautiful experience for the My Coach user. So none of those cables of having to connect up the watch to a PC, find the music, sideload it. It's all a very nice mobile optimized experience. And then what we've got here, we've actually got the Sonos system, another in-house entertainment system. And what we've got here, let me take you up to the top page here. So this is the Sonos controller app, where you can add different music services. In this case, I've decided to choose mixed radio. So this is still in our beta labs. And we've got the Play Me, so that very personalized music service. And then again, as you've noticed now, we've got all of those genres and categories that you found here. So let me just jump into rock, and then let's go into classic rock. Play now. Oh, it's a classic from Rainbow. So what a great track to finish the video off with. So there you have it. It's going to be, I'm not going to skip that, I'm just going to pause that. So again, you've seen that when we work with our partners, whether our partners be Harman Kardon, whether our partners be Adidas, or whether our partners include our colleagues over at Sonos, mixed radio is very mobile optimized, and it brings the very unique personal mixed radio service to each and one of our customers. Okay, Dean Pattrick signing off from Mobile World Congress. Hopefully you found this helpful. Many thanks. Bye.